all, thanks for checking out Skillseed Freedom to Learning YouTube channel. Let's continue with electricity distribution. Similarly, distribution system can be further classified as primary distribution 33 kV and above, and second is secondary distribution 11 kV, 6.6 kV, 3.3 kV, and tertiary distribution 400 volt 3 phase depending upon the voltage of distribution. Electric power distribution is the final stage in the delivery of electric power. It carries electricity from transmission system to individual customer. Distribution substation connect to the transmission system and lower the transmission voltage to medium voltage ranging between 2 kV and 35 kV with the use of transformers. Primary distribution lines carry this medium voltage power to distribution transformers located near to the customer premises. Distribution transformer again lower the voltage to the utilization voltage used by lighting, industrial equipment and household applications. In single line diagram of a typical electrical power system, you will see the source, transformer, different types of relays, arresters or the switches. Distribution system has two components, feeder and distributor. A feeder in a distribution network is a circuit carrying power from a main substation to a secondary substation, such that the current loading is the same all along its length. Therefore, the main criterion for the design of a feeder it is current carrying capacity, thermal limits rather than voltage drops. A distributor, on the other hand, has variable loading along its length due to the service connection, tap off at interval by the individual consumer. The voltage variation at consumer terminal must be maintained within plus minus 5% in order to avoid unsatisfactory operation of equipment. Example, a reduction in voltage which will adversely affect the output of an induction motor or light from a filament lamp. Therefore, the main criterion for the design of a distribution is the voltage drop, which must be kept within the certain limit. A typical distribution system occupies an important place in an electric power system. The effectiveness with which it achieves its objective of distributing electric energy to various consumers is measured in terms of voltage regulation, flexibility, security of supply, efficiency and cost. Next is types of distribution system. Depending upon the types of supply, distribution system can be classified as AC single phase, three phase 4 wire. The distribution system can also be classified depending upon the connection. These are radial system and ring main system. We will see first the radial system. The electric energy distribution originally was through radial system. A typically radial distribution system is radial feeder and radial distributor. The advantage of radial system are its simplicity and low cost, which result from a straightforward circuit arrangement where a single or radial path is provided between the consumer and the source of bulk power supply. With such arrangement, the amount of switching equipment required is small and the protective relaying is simple. The major disadvantage of radial system is its lack of security of supply. When a fault occurs on any section of the feeder, a number of consumers will be without supply for a considerable period. The radial system is normally used for rural distribution these days. Next is the ring main unit. There are two types, ring and interconnected. The system is used most frequently to supply bulk loads such as small individual load and medium or large commercial building where continuity of supply is considerable importance. A typical ring main for feeder and distributor is it can be shown in the simple diagram. Load and medium of large commercial building where continuity supply is considerable. A typical ring main for feeder and distribution system can reduces the voltage drop between the point to which it is connected. The ring main system are used for urban distribution in contrast to the radial system. The types of distribution system is primary distribution. Primary distribution voltage range from 4 kV to 35 kV phase to phase. Only large consumers are fed directly from distribution voltage. Most utility consumers are connected to a transformer, which reduces the distribution voltage to the low voltage, utilization voltage, supply voltage or mains voltage used by lighting and interior wiring system. Next is secondary distribution system. Electricity is delivered at a frequency of either 50 or 60 Hz depending on the region. It is delivered to domestic customer as a single phase electric power. In some countries as Europe, a three-phase supply may be made available for larger properties. Seen with oscilloscope, the domestic power supply in north. Three-phase electric power is more efficient in terms of power delivery per cable use, and it is more suitable to running large electric motors. Some large European appliances may be powered by three-phase power such as electric stove and clothes dryer. Next is modern distribution system. Traditionally, the distribution system would only operate as simple distribution lines where the electricity from the transmission network would be shared among the customers. Today's distribution system are heavily integrated with renewable energy generation at the distribution level of the power system by the means of distributed generation resources such as solar energy and wind energy. As a result, distribution systems are becoming more independent from the transmission network day-to-day life. Balancing the supply-demand relationship at these modern distribution networks is extremely challenging and requires the use of various technological and operational means to operate the system. Such a tool include battery storage, power station, data analytics, optimization tools, etc. We have seen the concept of distribution system and the types of distribution system and somewhat the ranges of the distribution system. For more details, comment in comment section. We will posting new audio videos on electrical engineering courses and workshops online and personal weekly. Please subscribe for more on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Thanks and happy learning Skillseed.